Menteri Rangba ke jela badu National President keseng NPP Konrad Kongkal Sangma hakahnya teruk jemang arhajar arpun rio. Ulapan berapa ba yu Dr. DRL Nonglait kumu Kyrtong keseng na kebentak election Shiteng Samoi banjit yau MP Shagalok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Ya kini kejing penmana penlong ha kejing elang ke General Executive Meeting kebelalong ha State Central Library ha kabau Dr. Nonglait ubadiru Presiden ke Khasi Authors Society. Ula penyeso ela dia kong uduk hot jong ke NPP. Haba keren dengan negasi Dr. DRL Nonglait ula penpau ba kejing temu ke bakamat ya jung menekoni kene election kelong menet trilang na kebentar ke bahak kemet kejela bat ban penurlong ya kejing dawa ban pendrong ya kaktian khasi bat garo ha ka kernet ke bapra jong keriti sensyari. Ula kular ru ban syemkiah lor kamat ke bedai bat ke line permit kejing penkelai ke rukom pulih putih na dok kekerdan elementary hadok kahaya bat technical education kejing pun kok bor ki samla bat kejing akun ban penek pensa ya kejing long bekerpang ki trai mulo u Dr. DRL Nonglait ule tho ba kejing rai jung ban rong syaka kamsan perthai kedai hadian kejing selok bat ki bahayeng bahasem bat ki para be trailang kam tam hadian boleh opdiang ya ka phone call no menteri rangba menhakalai ko terik uyayong kat bo udang dan hospital ula batai bu priang ya kene kejing om na kebenta kejing mentoi simet nrei ban long kum kamlo bat kejing syai ban penwandor biang ek emlang salang kabala herdor ula aku bleiru ikinong elam ke NPP ke bala bo kejing syania au ban bat kene kejing ket kle kabakrau hakamat upat ba.
She will be felicitating Sir Nonglait as well.
Today I stand before you with deep humility and gratitude as the National People's Party officially declares my name as the party candidate for the forthcoming MP by-election from the Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. I sincerely thank the party leadership, Sri Konrad Kesanma, Pak Preston Tensong, and Pak Mas Nyok Halang Dhar and others for the faith and confidence reposed in me. I also thank every party worker and supporter whose dedication and hard work continue to strengthen the NPP across our state. This candidature is not a personal honor. It is a great responsibility for the people and the state. I accept it with full commitment and with determination to work for the welfare of the people and the state, and also for the aspirations of everyone.
But more importantly, the message that is there in the kind of support that we are seeing today for the candidature of Dr. DRL Nonglait and for the National People's Party is truly encouraging. And friends, the reason why today more and more people are looking towards the National People's Party and are desiring to support the party is because, as Dr. Nonglait has mentioned, people of our state have gone through many phases. We have faced many difficulties and many challenges through generations, through decades. We fought many situations. We fought for our statehood. And the people of the state have realized, and they know, that for us as a state to move forward and to be able to achieve the dreams that we all have for our people and for our state is not by dividing our people and playing divisive politics. But we can only achieve our goal and move forward with our vision for our people by ensuring that we are united. And that is the purpose of this program today, to give the message to the people of the region and the state as a whole, that while there are political parties who are hell-bent on dividing the state and playing divisive politics and trying to gain political mileage by creating animosity and hatred, here there is a political party that believes in humanity, that believes in loving all communities, that believes in uniting our people and taking our state forward in the path of development. And that is the principle on which the National People's Party today is working. I'm truly honored that today we have been able to officially welcome an individual, a human being, a man who needs no introduction. Apart from being among the top 10 professors among the Khasis in Meghalaya, apart from being in the Khasi Author Society for more than 22 years, for being the president for more than 12 years, apart from being a person who fears God, whose spirituality is beyond any doubt, whose faith is unshakable, Dr. Nonglait, in one word, is a simple and a down-to-earth human being who loves his people and who loves his state, and without any form of any violence, without any form of going and creating different problems on the streets. Dr. Nonglait has set an example of commitment, of perseverance, of non-violence, and proved that if your intentions are right, if your heart is in the right place, and your determination is unshakable, we will achieve our goal one day.
Kandapi taray kan ni kapisa. Kalijaw na kan ni. Ba, ka hospital tika lajik ngay nang ni.
Pinti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu.
Sister, hapsi ukat no ma?
ka sarkar kalak siulut iki lut jing separo.
Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka bakordor.